Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use the interior light switch off delay feature of this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of your Mercedes infotainment system. Then let's swipe to select here the settings, so this car icon. Then from the settings, you've got access to few tabs. Let's choose the lights tab, as you can see, and from lights tab let's select interior and exterior lighting. Here you can enable or disable the interior lighting switch off delay. What it does: when you exit the car and close the door, the cabin lights stay on for a short period so you can gather your belongings in the dark. So I think it's quite useful, so I will leave it enabled. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.